blood. I was standing in the windy tunnel, shouting through the roar. I'd like to get the information, asking for what blood makes noise. It's ringing in my ear, blood makes noise. I can really hear you in the thick of my fear. To know the details and the facts, but there's something in my blood that knows the memory of the acts. I just forget it, Doc. I think it's really cool that you're concerned, but we'll have to try again if the silence has returned. This blood makes noise. It's a ringing in my ear. Blood makes noise. I can really hear you in the thickening of fear.
I really want it, but the kid in my head, it's such a song.